guys, and what is up? Hopefully this isn't super wobbly because it's been wobbly in the past, but if it is, sorry. But anyways, I am headed to church on a Saturday. So weird, but my friend invited me, and I've been wanting to find a church to plug in at because I haven't been able to find a church where I feel comfortable. So we're gonna take this step, we're gonna do it, we're gonna go, and I'll update you all after. We'll see how it goes. I'm so nervous. I haven't been to a church since like I wouldn't say a bad experience, but I think I just had, like when I was younger, I had this rough time, I guess you can say, this like time where I was not necessarily going through stuff, but I don't think I wanted to be close to God at that time. I just wanted to kind of like, I guess like live my life, you know, do whatever I want, like not live a life of obedience. And lately I've been feeling like I need to go to church. I need to find a church. And granted, I said that I was going to find a church when I moved back to San Antonio from Austin, and that was years ago. And I have yet to find a church where I feel comfortable at. I've been to like 2, but none of those have like really, I don't know, they just weren't the place for me, if I'm being honest. So I think it's time. I think it just happened to be at a great time where I was like reaching for my Bible more, listening to like Christian podcasts, like trying to like listen to the word as much as I could. And my friend reached out to me, and it was like such good timing. It was like, it just seemed like really like this is God, you know. And she reached out to me. We were just talking like casual, like nothing. And then she's like, oh hey, what are you doing this weekend? We should go to church together. And she like tells me that she's been going to church and that she really likes it, that her and her husband are going to Matthew. He's a whole nother situation. I don't think he wants to go to a church. I don't think he really like, I wouldn't say like cares for that stuff, but he doesn't really he's just not in the place for that. So, which is fine, and I respect that. So I'm gonna go by myself, and it starts at 5. So pretty excited and nervous. I'm like 27 minutes away. I didn't realize it was that far, but I'll make it on time, so it's fine. Anyways, yeah, that's what's going on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drive over there, and I'll talk to y'all in a bit. They're from Pink Dreams Vintage. Cute. Look at this one. It's a corn. That's so adorable. I like this yin yang one. The lollipops. They have boba. Are these stickers? Cute.
It's Lana Del Rey.
Lana Del Rey? What size is it? This is actually really cute. $42. Vintage. Oh, it's a pin. I thought it was a ring. Cute little mug.
Quite a few of our vendors are on sale. So let us know if you have any questions, okay?
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Look at this heart. How cute is this?
That's cool.
Yeah. My body is literally shaking. These shoes are so squeaky. Look for your dad, Matthew. He likes golf. Shit, this thing is kind of shaky. That's too small for you.
No, it's
Huh? Oh, look at this little Disney shot glass.
Oh, wait, yours.